Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Beautiful Art and Craft Kids. Hope you all most well. Today I'm drawing how to draw a girl in the traditional suit. Okay, draw a girl from the back side. Require focus on proportion, posture, and clothing detail. Here is a step-by-step guide to help yours. Toes continue from the shoulder, drawing to straight line or slightly curving inward to from the sides of the toes. This will from the body shape from the back. It can curve out slightly as the curl has a natural to the arm and the arm extending downward from the shoulder line. If you for more detail, indicate the elbow or wrist. Hands. Draw the hand as simple shape to start with oval or rectangle for the palm and line for the finger. Separate. Draw the hips and leg. Draw the pelvis area by sketching an inverted triangle or oval shape. The width of the hips should be proportional to the shoulder but generally wider. Draw two lines coming from the hips to form the thigh, knees and calf. The legs can either be standing straight or in a slight bend. Depending on the pose, make sure to maintain a natural feet. Sketch simple shape for the feet at the bottom of the leg. Add hair and detail here since the view is from the back. You will need to draw the hair cascading down depending on the hairstyle. It can be long, short or tied up. Draw the hair fine naturally, adding texture and volume. Clothing. Add the clothing details such as a shirt, jacket or dress. Since the back is visible, focus on the outline of the garment and how it fits the body like a fit top. Step 5. Finalize or refine. Clean up. Go over your drawing to refine the lines. Erase any unnecessary sketch mark and add shading or detail to create depth. Shading. You can add shading under the hair, along the sides of the body and around the legs to create volume and dimension. By following these steps, you will able to create a realistic and proportionate drawing of a girl from behind. Guys, this all step. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, see my all videos. This is too nice video. Okay, bye bye.